Good morning, guys. Good morning to all. Is it audible? My voice is clear. It is audible. Okay. Okay. All right. Guys, yesterday we discussed about workspace and frameworks. Workspace and framework. We discussed yesterday workspace and types of framework. When we are creating the workspace, when we are creating the workspace, in the time we need to choose our framework, then automatically the framework will be reflected. When we are creating the workspace, the time you need to select T-box framework. T-box framework. The Tosca software inbuilt will provide T-box framework. Once we create the framework, we need to launch our software. We need to launch our software. Just a minute, it is loading. Today we are going to discuss about Tosca components. The first component is the requirement. Once you guys are launch your Tosca software, it should be displayed some components. The first one is the requirement. In this requirement, based on the customer expected, yeah. See guys, now I need to launch the Tosca software. Just a minute, I already launched the Tosca software. Once you guys are launched the Tosca software, it will be take some time. This is starting the Tosca commander. And you guys are also here checking license. The license found, then it should be displayed, license found. Now it will be launch. Now it will be launch. Once you guys are launched the Tosca software, you no need to touch anything here. Okay, then automatically it will be launched. Yeah. See, in this time, we need to select our workspace. In this time, we need to select our workspace. You guys are also, this is our workspace. This is our workspace. We need to select the workspace. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the Tosca software. Okay, see guys, first of all, I need to explain about the test case component. See guys, if you want to create the test case, you need to create based on the modules. Why we need to create the based on the modules? If you want to automate any application, first of all, that application related information we need to scan under module. Before creating the test case, the application related all information, we need to scan under module. Once you guys are scan the module, all application related information, we need to create test case. If you want to create the test case, first of all, we need to create folder. 1 minute. One minute, guys. Okay, done. If you want to create the test case, first of all, you need to create one folder. We need to create one folder. Once you guys are create the folder, how you guys are create the folder? Right click on here, click on create a folder. Right click on here, click on create a folder. Once you guys are create a folder, we need to create in this folder one test case. Right click on your folder. See, here we have one created test case symbol is there. This is look like sync symbol. Okay, this is look like sync symbol. Okay, on this folder we need to right click and click on sync folder. Once you guys are click on this one, you need to provide some valid name, some valuable name, tc_02, tc_02. See, once you guys are create the test case in this expected folder, first of all, what we need to do, we need to launch the browser. How you guys are launch the browser? If you want to launch the browser, we need to right click and go to create test configuration parameter. See guys, TC symbol. I will explain one more time. Once you guys are create the folder in test case level, in this folder you need to create one test case. Right click on the folder, choose the create test case. Once you guys are create the test case, you need to provide one valuable name. Once you guys are provide a valuable name, after that we need to provide one browser related information. If you want to provide the browser information, right click on your test case, go to test configuration parameter and click on test configuration parameter. I will tell you notes, guys, listen. And we need to provide here browser, and here we need to provide your expected browser. Once you guys are provide the expected browser, in this browser we need to launch your application. Right click on your test case and go to search add test step. Here you need to enter your open URL and click on open URL. Once you guys are click on the open URL and go to website, my system need to update. Okay, that's why it is take some time. Yeah, done. See here, this is my application. I need to copy this application URL and paste it here and paste it here. See guys, I need to copy the application URL and paste it here. Once I copy the URL, what I need to do, I want to click on register or I want to click on login. If I want to click on login, only here in test case folder, only here, you need to create a folder, you need to create a test case, you need to provide a URL, that's it. Remaining everything, we need to get from modules. We need to get from modules. Go to modules. Go to modules. Here what we need to do. And here we need to create one new module, create a folder. In this folder, we need to provide here sample. Once you guys are provide the folder name, and in this folder, right click on folder. We have one option is there, scan. Scan. Click on application. Right click on folder. We have one option is there, scan. Your scan will be started. Yeah, see you guys are observe. This is whatever you open, all the application related information, it should be displayed. Whatever you open, all the tabs will be displaying. Our expected tab is this one. Click on this tab and click on scan. See guys, this is first time to scan in your mission. That will be asked Chrome updated. Chrome updated means Tricentis related one attached you need to install. Okay, and after that, once you guys are launch the scan, this is the cursor. What we need to do, we need to click on login. Once you guys are click on login, you guys are observe here, the selected item is unique. The selected item is unique. The selected item is not a unique. It should be displayed yellow color. See, the time we need to change the identifiers. That one I will tell you in later. See, the selected item is the unique. Once I select the login, I need to click on save button. And after that, I need to click on close button and go to software, and you need to open the sample. See guys, whatever you scan, the scan item will be, see, this is the scan. I was scanned the login. And after that, what I need to do, and once I click on the login, I need to enter username and password. If I want to enter the username and password, again right click on scan application. And you need to select your expected browser or tab. Once you guys are selected, and here I need to enter the user email. I need to enter the password. I need to click on login. See guys, the selected item is in a queue. Okay, there is no yellow color. Okay, and click on save. Click on close. That's it. And go to software. See guys, this is email and password and login. Email and password and login. Once you guys are provide the modules under the folder, if you want to change the name, you need to rename. If you want to rename this one, this symbol, and here we need to provide login. Right click here, you need to provide login underscore info. Once you guys are provide, you need to hold, drag, test case, drop. That's it. You need to go to module, hold, go to drag and drop. Open URL. Just a minute. Open URL. This is, first of all, you need to click on login module. Yeah, this one, go to test case and paste it here. That's it. And delete this one. This is the login. Once login, go to module, login info. After that, login info. See guys, login info. Just to drag and drop. If you have a knowledge how to do the drag and drop, it is very easy. Tosca testing. And this is the login. And this is the login info. Go to test case. This is the open URL. This is the login. See guys, on this application, I find the element. And after that, what I need to perform, which action I need to perform on this login? I need to apply click action. I need to apply click action. Click action. Once I apply the click action, what I need to do? I need to enter just I need to provide see here, click. Okay, see guys, this is the password. So you need to convert string. And one more thing. Yeah, I will tell you. Okay, see, this is the password here. It is visible. Now it is visible. Now it is visible. See, before it is not visible. Now it is visible. Okay, I entered email, I entered password, I click on login. See guys, here it is very important thing in this test case folder. we have two things is there. One is the details, second one is the control flow diagram. In this test case, we have two tabs is there. One is the details, second one is the control flow diagram. See, you guys are observe. Open URL, click on login button, and provide the login information. Provide the login information. Provide the login information. We have a different columns is there. Name, value, action mode, data type. Under action mode, what type of elements is available? Under action mode, we have input, verify, buffer, wait on, select, constraints. It is very important. Under action mode, what type of elements or methods is there? Input, verify, buffer, wait on, select, constraints. The next one. How many data types is there in Tosca software? Second question. We have a different types of data types is there: string, numeric, date, boolean, password, secret. String, date, numeric, boolean, password, secret. Password, secret. This is how to automate the application by using Tosca. If you want to automate any application, first of all, maximum we are able to use module and test case. After that requirement, after that execution, after that configuration and the test planning. Once you guys are create the test case, how you guys are execute? Go to test case. This is the test case. This is the test case. Right click, run in Scratchbook. Run in Scratchbook. Before execute the application, you need to close. You need to close and right click here and run in Scratch. Launch the Chrome browser, enter the URL. I want to click on the login button. Yes, I need to enter the email and password. Click on login. Click on login. My test case is pass. See, complete, we got a error, green color. See, login is success. Login information is success. When I got this tick mark, green color tick mark, it is successful. It is, this is the console, like a, once we guys are getting the output, the time it should be displayed info. This is test case related, module related information. For example, if you want to hold the active window once you launch the application, if you want to hold, for example, when I launch the application, still it is browsing. Still it is browsing. See, still it is browsing. I need to hold the active window some time. I need to hold the active window within some time. If you want to do like that, you need to use existing methods. You need to use existing method. How you guys are use the existing method, I will tell you later. Yesterday, what was discussed, the notes we completed. History of the Tosca is completed or not? History of the Tosca is completed or not? Key features in Tosca is completed or not? Key features in Tosca is completed or not? Hello guys, please respond. Anybody? Please respond, guys. Yesterday, yes, I think yesterday key features is completed or not. Key features. The Tosca official yeah, okay, yeah, you guys are completed history of the Tosca. History of the Tosca is not completed, guys. Sandhya, it is not completed. Okay, okay, all right. Put the heading history of the Tosca. Do fast. History of the Tosca. You guys are maintain the notes clearly, guys. Okay, why? Because I need anybody, someone notes. Okay, I need to provide your notes to next people, next session people. Okay, anybody need to write the notes in clearly. Okay, run down. Okay, write down history of the Tosca. This is introduced Tricentis technology. This is introduced Tricentis technology and consultants. This is introduced Tricentis technology and consultancy, GmbH. This is introduced Tricentis technology and consultancy, GmbH. Okay, next line. This is established. This is established. This is established Mountain, California. This is established Mountain, California in 2007. This is established Mountain, California in 2007. This is established Mountain, California in 2007. Next line. This is developed by Australian company. This is developed by Australian company. Okay, not company, guys. This is developed by Australian people. Okay, next line. Next line. The Tosca, not Tosca, the Tricentis introduced Tosca software. This is completely the Tricentis introduced Tosca software. This is completely codeless. Codeless. The Tricentis introduced Tosca software. This is completely codeless. The Tricentis introduced Tosca software. This is completely codeless. Next line. The Tosca established Franz Puchesberger. I will write here. Okay. Okay, see guys, the Tricentis introduced Franz. Okay, Franz Puchesberg. And Wolf Plaza. and wolf flaggia. The Tricentennials established, the Tosca established, Franz Petersburg and Old Flaggia. Next one. The latest version of the Tosca, 16.0 LTS. The latest version of the Tosca 16.0. Okay, 16.0. Next one. In 2012, Connect. In 2012, see guys on the screen, Connect Partners, invest 2012, Connect Partners invest 9 millions in this Tricentennial company. In 2012, Connect Partners invest 9 millions in Tricentennial company. In 2012, Connect Partners invest 9 millions in Tricentennial company. Next line. In 2012, Sandeep Johari is the CEO of the Tricentennial. In 2012, Sandeep Johari, CEO of the Tricentennial. In 2012, Sandeep Johari is CEO of the Tricentennial. Next line. 2020, in 2021, not in guys, from 2021. From 2021 April, the CEO of the Tricentennial. From 2021 April, the CEO of the Tricentennial in Corona time. The CEO of the Tricentennial, Kenwitt Thompson. Okay, Kenwitt Thompson. From 2021 April, the CEO of the Tricentennial, Kenwitt Thompson. Okay, this is the history of the Tosca. Next heading. Key features in Tosca. Okay, key features in Tosca. Key features in Tosca. The first one, vision. AI. Vision. AI. Vision. AI. Artificial intelligent AI. And AI2. Vision. AI. And AI2. Okay, this is key features. The next one. Put the heading. What is the Tosca test suite. What is the Tosca test suite? What is the Tosca test suite? Okay, write down. You guys are write down. What is the Tosca test suite? The Tosca stands topology. T is the topology. And next one is the orchestration. And next one is the specification. The next one is the cloud. The next one is the application. This is the Tosca strands. Next line. The Tosca test suite test suite able to automate different types of applications. The Tosca test suite able to automate different types of application. For example, web application, desktop application, and GUI, and non-GUI, and SAP. The next line. The Tosca support more than 45 technologies. The Tosca support more than 45 technologies. Next one. The Tosca suite working like a test management tool. The Tosca working like a test management tool. The Tosca working like a test management tool. What is the test management tool? In this Tosca software, we have a different modules is there. Example, okay. See, first one is the test case. Second one is the module. Text execution, like this, okay, etc. Okay. The next one, the next one, the next step. It is readable test cases. It is readable test cases. It is readable test cases. Next line. Everybody able to readable. Everybody able to readable. Everybody able to readable the test cases. Everybody able to readable the test cases. Everybody able to readable the test cases. Why? Because everybody able to read a test cases because everybody able to read a test cases. Everybody able to read a test cases because this is completely codeless. Everybody able to read a test cases. Everybody able to readable a test cases because this is completely codeless. Next line. In this Tosca, in this Tosca, we are able to do, in this Tosca, we are able to do manual testing. And the same test cases we are able to automate. The same test cases we are able to automate. The same test cases we are able to automate. We are able to automate. This is the yeah, this is the test suite. Tosca test suite. What is the Tosca test suite? What is the second one? What is the second one? The second one is the difference between the QTP and UFT and Selenium and Tosca. Difference between the QTP and UFT. Okay, see guys, here we need to provide Tosca. Here we need to provide UFT/QTP. And here we need to provide Selenium. Okay, Selenium. This is the type. This is the type. The next one. What is the difference between automation, Selenium and QTP and UFT and Tosca? Okay, this is the Tosca, this is the QTP, this is the Selenium. What is the type? The type is the paid. This is completely paid version, not a open source. We are unable to find in online. We are unable to find in online. If you have an internet, by using internet, you are unable to find the pre-source in online. Okay, so the next one is this is also paid version. The UFT also paid version. This is the open source. We are able to find in online the Selenium. This is the free source. If you have an internet, you are able to download the selenium. If you have an internet, we are able to download the selenium. You no need to pay anything. We no need to pay anything. The next one, cost. The next one, cost. The next one, cost. This is the high cost. Compare with the, this is the high. Compare with the QTP. And QTP also low. Low means, guys, for example, this is the $25. Example, just example, this is the $25 and this is the $50. This is the $50. And the selenium free. Free. The selenium is free. The next one, type of apps. What type of apps this is able to handle? Yeah, finally I will provide access. You guys are able to speak. Okay, Raja. And type of apps. What type of apps the Tosca able to handle? Any type, all the types, any type, all the type of applications the Tosca able to automate. And UFT only desktop and web. Only desktop and web. Coming to the selenium, only web applications. Only web applications. Only web applications. The next one, if you want to automate, any script is required. Automation script. If you want to automate the Tosca software, if you need any script, by using Tosca, we are able to use model base. And coming to the UFT, we need to use VB script, VB, Visual Basic. Coming to the selenium, if you want to automate any application, Java, Python, PHP, JSE, C#, okay, Java, Python, PHP, and Ruby. By using these languages, we need to automate the application. The selenium supports 6 languages. By using 6 languages, we are able to automate. By using 6 languages, we are able to automate. Okay, we are able to automate. Okay, and next one, scripting. The next one, CI integration. CI integration. Any CI/CD accept. Any CI/CD accept. The UFT only able to accept Jenkins. The selenium only able to accept Jenkins. This is we call what is the difference between the selenium and the QTP and the UFT. You guys will write down or take the screenshot. You guys will write down or take the screenshot. the difference between the QTP and Tosca and QFT. That's it. It is completed, guys. It is completed or not? Please respond, anybody. Hello. Okay. The next one. What is the advantages and disadvantages in Tosca? The next one. What is the advantages and disadvantages in Tosca? The first one. This is completely scriptless. This is completely scriptless. Next one. By using Tosca, we are able to handle any type of application. By using Tosca, we are able to handle any type of application. Next one. This is completely test management tool. This is completely test management tool. This is completely test management tool. And next line. This is the model base. 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 The Tosca, next line, the Tosca able to handle GUI and non-GUI and web applications also. Web applications also. Okay, web applications also. Put the heading disadvantages. 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 Write down. This is high pricing. This is high pricing and heavy tool. Next line. This is high pricing. Next one. And heavy tool. This is high pricing and heavy tool. Okay. Yeah. The next heading. Components of Tosca. Components of Tosca. Okay, done. Okay, guys. Anybody need to speak? Please unmute your mic. Please unmute. Raise your hand. I will provide access. Please raise your hand. Rajia. Okay. Tirumala. Yes. What is your doubt? Please unmute your mic.
Sir, yesterday session was not up.
Yesterday is no session. Yesterday Sunday. Every Sunday we don't have a session. Sometimes today also.
Okay, Saturday also I not attended, sir.
Yeah, you have a recordings or related links is there in the chat box.
Okay.
You need to get that links and you need to watch the videos. Okay, last 3 sessions related recordings is available in chat box. Anybody you are unable to attend the last previous sessions, you guys are watch the recordings. Okay, clear, Tirumala?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Raju, what is your doubt? Please unmute. Raju.
Hi, Anik. Morning.
Or speak loud. I am unable to hear.
Yeah. How should I get them? How should I create the folder in?
Which test case module, test case tab or module tab?
Yeah, test case tab.
Yeah. If you want to create the folder in test case tab,
Okay.
see, this is the test case folder. Okay. When you guys are click on the test case, it should be displayed one folder. Right click on your folder and click on create. I will tell you notes also. You don't worry about that one. How to create the test cases, how to create the module, how to scan the everything. I will tell you notes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Anybody? Rajia, are you there? Please raise your hand. You're asking some. Anybody, any doubt? Guys, if you have a doubt, please raise your hand. I will unmute your mic. Okay, you are able to speak. Yes, Ravi Kishore. Please unmute your mic.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, you are today you are telling some points in test case and some modules in modules column, sir.
Yes, some points on test case, some points on modules.
The difference, can you explain, sir? And
what is the difference between the module and test case?
Yes.
Yeah, the module we are able to provide all the application related information only.
Okay.
In this
Application
module, we are able to provide all the application related information only. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to perform any action on that elements, which elements, whatever you provided inside of the modules, if you want to perform any action, that action you need to perform in this test case folder.
Okay, sir. That means test cases, in the test cases, we perform only actions, and in the module, application related, we need to select. We need to select. Okay,
yeah, how you guys are provide the action in that test case? If you want to provide the action, first of all, you need to drag and drop the application related information module to test case.
Okay.
From module to test case. How you guys are provide module from module to test case? Drag and drop. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Any doubt, guys? Remaining? Something, Rajia, you are asking something. You need to talk anything. Yeah, Rajia, please unmute your mic. You are asking something. Need to speak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
I wanted a recording of previous sessions. That's the reason I messaged you. Because this is the first class of me. I don't know how many classes you have covered.
All right. In this chat box, we have previous recording information is available. Okay. See, my screen is visible.
Yes.
See, this is the first day, second day, third day. Okay. You need to watch these recordings. Okay. Then you are able to understand clearly what is the Tosca, why Tosca, what is use of the Tosca. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody? Any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubts, please? Or raise your hand. I will provide access. You are able to speak. Otherwise, I will close the session. Yeah, Sanju. Yes. Please unmute your mic. I provided access. Sanju.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Sanju.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, this is my first class.
Mm-hmm.
I am asking you about this things.
You have an
in Tosca.
idea about manual testing?
Yeah, I know manual automation. I know what I know.
Automation is
Hello?
Selenium with Java?
Yeah, Selenium, Java, and Python and C# also. I know.
Okay.
And 2 and 3 project completed are
Mhm.
completed,
Mhm.
and I am just going in this way in Tosca.
Mhm. Okay. This is first
So
time. This
yeah,
is the first day. Am I correct?
yeah, first day.
Yeah.
Today
Okay.
is first day.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You need to
So
watch the.
this is a commercial tool.
Yeah. That
Tosca
is
is a commercial tool.
completely.
Sorry.
Okay. This completely paid version, not a open source. Yeah, it is a open source also is there. That is just a 15 to 25 days is available.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to
I'm
practice, you need to download the software. How to download, I will tell you later. How to download,
okay.
how to install, I will tell you later. Okay. This
Okay.
is only 15 to 25 days is the open source. Only working 15 to 25 days. After 25 days, automatically it is you need to update. If you want to update, you need to enter your email ID, new email ID. Okay,
Yeah.
no need to use old email ID.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
will be installed. Okay. Done.
Because I am a older student of Naresh IT.
Oh,
Hello.
yeah. Okay, very
I
good.
am almost a student of Naresh IT, and
Okay,
I previous completed in Java and Python, C#.
very good. Very good.
Satish Gupta sir,
Okay,
and
very good.
database SQL,
Okay, very good.
Chaitanya sir.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir. So that's why I am asking you,
Thank you. Thank you, Sanju.
sir. Actually, I need these tools in Tosca, and but time is not sufficient. Morning time is another batch I have same time, and
No,
that's why I'm
actually, my office timings is the 12:30. My office timings. So only I am able to take the sessions, morning sessions, morning 7:30 to 9, 9:30 to 9:30 to 11, 11 to 12:30. That's enough. And after that, I need to go to office. That is the problem. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
upcoming batch, any batch?
Yeah, sure. This is 45 days.
Evening?
This course will be 45 days. After 45 days, same time, 7:30 will be, I will be started.
Yeah, morning session is not possible to me join that classes because I
Okay,
have
I got it.
that
Okay.
class.
Anything they will inform you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Ameya, please unmute your mic.
Hi sir, good morning. Sir,
Hi,
you
good morning.
today going to share the syllabus of the course.
Okay, you are asking. Yes. Okay. Please share. In Google, do you have, once you guys are getting the Google Classroom link, then there I will provide the complete information. Once you guys are get the Google Classroom link, when you guys are able to get, if you want to get the Google Classroom link, you need to contact your admin. The admin will provide. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, Anil Kumar, please unmute your mic.
Yeah, my question also same like we can encrypt our password instead of entering the direct.
Sorry.
We can actually in a few minutes back I saw we are directly entering our direct password. Instead of that, we can encrypt our password and we can pass it
Okay, you are talking about we are able to send the password directly. It is
Yes.
possible to encrypt it or not.
Yes.
Password. Okay. See, if you want to encrypt it, we need to choose the action mode. See, in this action mode, we need to provide secret. Secret option is there.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to select the secret. Okay, that will be convert. It is not visible. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. That's all from my.
Yeah, thank you. Any doubt, guys? Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. I will continue tomorrow. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you all.
Anusha, do you want to talk anything? Anusha, please unmute your mic, Anusha.
Yes, I have a doubt. In Tosca, just now we entered login credentials, right? If n number of persons log in into the same application, so you have given your credentials. And if I want to give my credentials, will the test case pass or fail?
Yeah, you are able to. First of all, if you want to provide your credential, what we need to do, you need to register. After that, you are able to get the credential. That credential you need to use. Okay.
Okay.
That's
so we need to like you have already. I guess you are the user. You log in directly. If we want to register, so in if we are new to that
if you want to register, you need to use your personal details. You need to enter your personal detail. Okay. When you are entered your personal detail and your personal email ID, okay, then automatically it will be created. Whatever you created in register time, same credentials you need to apply in login time.
Okay. So before giving login credentials, we need to create test case for register also.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything I will explain. No need to worry about that one. I will explain and I will discuss the notes.
I was thinking like first we need to register, then login things will come, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, done?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.